What's going on, sir? Stefan down at Victory Nissan. I'd like to show you that 2018 Jeep Cherokee Overland Edition that you inquired about. It's got remote start, power lift gate as well. Beautiful alloys on it. But it's what's on the inside that counts, right? And on the inside, we see we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. Push button start. Cycle through all your display settings and different screens. Coming over here too, this one also comes equipped with the heated seats, vented seats, and the heated steering wheel as well. Navigation's already installed on the car too, so that's one less thing you'll have to worry about. Got a cute little storage up there for sunglasses if you ever need it, as well as one right here too. Comes with the auto dimming rear view mirror. Leather is in great condition as well, as you can see. Currently only has 46,000 miles on it, so it has about 14,000 miles on its powertrain warranty left. You got your different settings to cycle through the environment depending on whether or not you want to take it off-road or not. It's a beautiful car, man. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Stefan at Victory Nissan, and I look forward to working for you in the future.